Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 9.4 question number 2. The number of mathematics books sold by a shopkeeper on 6 consecutive days is shown below. That is days Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Number of books sold, that is 65, 40, 30, 50, 20 and 70. Right? Now draw a bar graph to represent the above information choosing the scale of your choice. Right? Here you see how to find the scale of the choice. It is 65. Here you see that is 65, 40, 30, 10, 20 and 70. These 40, 30, 50 and 20 and 70 can be chosen as 10, 1 equal to 10 books, but 65 we cannot find that 65. That's why we have to choose such a scale that we may get 65. That means we have to take 1 unit is equal to, we have to take 1 unit, take 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit is equal to 5 books, 5 books, 1 unit equal to 5 books. Right, therefore you have taken, here you see 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60 and 65. Now number of books sold on Sunday is 65. Here you see this is 65. Right, therefore this is the bar graph of Sunday. This is the bar graph of Sunday. This is the bar graph of Sunday. Here you see this is Sunday. This is Sunday, that is 65 books. It is Sunday, we are writing a Sunday. S U N D A and Y, Sunday, right? And this is Monday. This is Monday. This is Monday. M O N D A Y, Monday. Next one is Tuesday. T U E S D A Y, Tuesday. And this is Wednesday. This Wednesday, W E D N E S D A Y, Wednesday. And this one is Thursday. T H U R S D A, Thursday. And this one is for Friday. F R I D A and Y, right? Now you find that, find the bar graph. Bar graph, that is Sunday, that is number of books sold is 65, right? On Monday it is 40. Tuesday it is 30. Wednesday it is 50. See, this is 50, 50. And in Thursday it is 20. Thursday it is 20. And last day Friday is the 70. Here you see this is 70. Right? This is 70. Right? And we have taken the scale as 1 unit is equal to 5 books. Right? Now what will do a bar graph to represent the above information choosing the scale of your choice. That is 1 unit we have taken is equal to 5 books. Right? Now Here in the horizontal direction we have taken days, and in the vertical direction we have taken the number of mathematics books sold, right? That is, in the horizontal direction we have taken number of number of mathematics books sold. Number of mathematics books books sold. This is the number of mathematics books sold on the vertical direction, and in the horizontal direction, that is, it is days. Horizontal direction, it is days. And you see, what you have to remember, that the gap between this, the width of all the bar graphs should be same. Not only that, all the gaps between the bar graph should have the same width, right? That means this width. Here you see that the distance, that is the width of the bar graph, that is this width of the bar graph, this width should be same for all the, this width should be same for all the bar. This width should be same for all the, in the graph paper you have to draw bar graphs with same width. This is very important, right? That is same width. This one and this one, this, the width of the bar should be same. Not only that, the gap between the bars should also be same. The gap, this gap, right? This gap, the gap between the bars should have the same width, right? You have to remember this one. And in the bar graph, in the graph paper, you have to maintain this one, that the width of the bar should be same, and the width of the gap between the bars should be same. This gap should be same width, right? You have to remember this one. This width should be same, and this width should be same. That means you have to remember that the width of all the bars should be same, and the width of the gap between the bars should be same. That is important, right? That is, this is the bar graph of this question number 2. Once again we are repeating. Here you see, this is the number of mathematics books sold, and we have taken 1 equal to 5 books, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, and 70. And on the right side, it is number of days. It is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Here you see Sunday, the number of books sold is 65. If you draw a perpendicular, it will go to 65. Then on Monday, the number of books sold is 40. Then on Tuesday, the number of books sold is 30. Then on Wednesday, the number of books sold is 50. Then on Thursday, the number of books sold is 20. And on Friday, the number of books sold is 70. This is the bar graph of question number 2. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.